Welcome back to our daily drives where we bring you the most powerful machines, latest innovations, and jaw-dropping technology from around the world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated armored beasts of the future, the T-999 tank. The 2026 variant that has everyone in the defense and military tech world talking, the T-999, is not just a tank, it's a symbol of next-generation battlefield dominance. Engineered with an unmatched blend of firepower, stealth, and AI-supported systems, the 2026 T-999 stands as a titan among modern combat vehicles. Developed with the latest technologies in mobility and protection, this tank is designed to operate in multi-domain warfare, handling threats from land, air, and even cyber attacks. Let's start with the exterior and armor. The T-999 features a reactive composite armor made from advanced nano-ceramic materials, designed to absorb, deflect, and withstand high-velocity kinetic projectiles and shaped charge explosives. This means the tank can face down anti-tank missiles and still keep moving, thanks to a real-time smart defensive system that tracks incoming threats and deploys countermeasures instantly. At its core, the T-999 is powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid diesel-electric engine, offering improved fuel efficiency and silent movement when needed. This allows for low heat signatures, making it much harder to detect via infrared or radar. When it's time to move, the T-999 can hit speeds of up to 75 km per hour on open terrain, which is impressive considering the tank weighs over 60 tons. But what truly sets the T-999 apart is its advanced AI combat system. This isn't just a machine being driven by a crew, this is a thinking battlefield platform. The onboard AI system analyzes data from multiple sensors, drones, and satellites in real time. It can recommend combat maneuvers, identify targets faster than the human eye, and even engage enemy vehicles autonomously if required. In many cases, the crew simply supervises the AI rather than directly operating every function, reducing fatigue and decision-making errors in high-pressure combat situations. Inside, the crew of 3 enjoys a digital cockpit with panoramic displays, touch controls, and biometric security. Everything from targeting to navigation is enhanced through augmented reality. The commander has full situational awareness through a 360-degree vision system that overlays real-time intel on the HUD. Meanwhile, the gunner has access to next-gen fire control systems capable of hitting moving targets at extreme distances, even in low visibility conditions. Speaking of firepower, the T-999 comes equipped with a high-velocity 130mm smoothbore cannon, a major upgrade over the traditional 120mm guns found in many current tanks. It's capable of firing multiple types of smart ammunition, including armor-piercing, programmable airburst, and guided rounds. There's also a coaxial 30mm automatic cannon for infantry and drones, and a roof-mounted remote weapon station that can be configured for heavy machine guns, grenade launchers, or even directed energy weapons. Another futuristic aspect of the T-999 is its drone integration system. Stored inside the tank are 2 autonomous aerial drones and 1 ground reconnaissance drone. These can be deployed mid-combat to scout terrain, track enemy units, or provide targeting assistance, all linked back to the tank's central AI system. This not only increases battlefield awareness, but makes the T-999 a command hub as much as a frontline brawler. When it comes to survivability, the tank includes a hard-kill active protection system, capable of intercepting and neutralizing RPGs and incoming missiles. It also features a cyber shield system to defend against hacking and electronic warfare, a crucial feature in today's digital battlefield. The 2026 T-999 isn't just a step forward in tank development, it's a leap into a new era of mechanized warfare. With its blend of cutting-edge armor, powerful weaponry, and artificial intelligence, it represents what the future of armored combat will look like. Whether it's urban warfare, open battlefield dominance, or hybrid tech warfare, the T-999 is built to rule them all. If you're a fan of military tech, tanks, or futuristic weapons, you know this machine deserves all the attention it's getting. Let us know in the comments what feature impressed you the most. And if you had a chance to redesign the T-999, what would you add or improve? Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow tank and military tech lovers. Until next time, stay curious, stay strong, and keep exploring the machines that shape our future.